The gen folder is actually a pretty simple folder. There's not a lot to talk about here. It basically is the generated Java files, which are the files that the Android project has generated for you. The only thing that really goes in here at this point is the r.java file. This file basically contains friendly names to make it so that you can, in a type-safe way, access things that are in your resources file. So if we take a look at resources file, jumping ahead a bit here, at the strings.xml file, you can notice here that we've got a string that is hello world, hello activity, called hello, and one that is the app name called hello world. And in the r.java that's generated for our string class, we have app name and hello. So basically that's really all there is to the gen folder. You won't really be doing much with this at all. One little hint that I can give you here is that when you're in your code, you can control click and it will take you to the string in the gen. So for example, if we go to app name here and I'm control clicking this, I can go to open XML declaration and then it's going to take me to where it's declared. This was something that was new that was added to the latest Android development toolkit. So that is pretty useful.